While taking good care of your body may help you grow taller, your height is mostly determined by your genetics. Once your growth plates are fused together, you will stop growing taller, which usually happens between the ages of 14 and taking good care of your body may help you grow taller. Your height is mostly determined by your genetics. Once your growth plates are fused together, you will stop growing taller, which usually happens between the ages of 14 and 20. If you're still growing, good nutrition and a healthy lifestyle may help you get taller. Additionally, you might be able to increase your height by about 0.5 to 2 inches, 1.3 to 5.1 centimeters, by stretching out your spine daily. Lean proteins include chicken, turkey, fish, beans, nuts, tofu, and low-fat dairy. Complex carbs include whole grains and starchy veggies, like potatoes. Incorporate more protein into your diet. Protein helps your body build healthy body mass, like muscles. This can help you be your tallest. Eat protein at every meal and include it in your snacks. 4. For instance, you might eat yogurt at breakfast, tuna fish for lunch, chicken at dinner, and string cheese as a snack. Incorporate more protein into your diet. Protein helps your body build healthy body mass, like muscles. This can help you be your tallest. Eat protein at every meal and include it in your snacks. 4. For instance, you might eat yogurt at breakfast, tuna fish for lunch, chicken at dinner, and string cheese as a snack. Consume a serving of dairy each day to support your growth. Dairy contains protein, calcium, and vitamins to nourish your body. While milk is a great choice, yogurt and cheese are also great sources of dairy. Incorporate one serving of your favorite dairy product into your daily diet. For example, 28 drink 8 fluid ounces, 240 milliliters of milk. Eat 6 fluid ounces, 180 milliliters of yogurt, or eat a slice or 1 ounce 28 grams. Take calcium and vitamin supplements if your doctor says it's okay. Supplements may help you grow taller by meeting your nutritional needs. Calcium and vitamins A and D are especially important because they support strong bones. Talk to your doctor to find out if supplements are right for you. For instance, you might take a daily multivitamin and calcium supplement. Keep in mind that vitamins won't make you grow taller than your genetics allow. Maintain good posture to show your full height. Good posture doesn't actually make you grow, but you might look taller. When you're walking, stand tall and keep your back straight. Additionally, roll your shoulders back and tilt your chin up. While you're sitting, straighten your back, roll your shoulders back, and face straight ahead. Check your posture in a mirror or by filming yourself. Practice standing, walking, and sitting to master good posture. Exercise 30 minutes daily for healthy bones and muscles. You probably know that exercising every day helps you stay healthy, but it may also help you grow taller. Exercise builds healthy bones and muscles, so it might help you reach the tallest height possible for you. Pick an exercise you enjoy so it's easy for you to include it in your day. For instance, play a sport, take a dance class, go for long walks, run around your neighborhood, or go skating. Get a good night's sleep every night so your body can repair itself. During your daily activities, you break down your muscles, and your body needs to repair them so you get stronger. Make sure you get proper amounts of sleep so your body is able to repair itself and recover your energy levels. Here's the amount of sleep you need each night. Toddlers ages 2 and younger need 13 to 22 hours, 18 recommended for newborns. Children ages 3 to 5 need 11 to 13 hours. Children ages 6 to 7 need 9 to 10 hours. Adolescents ages 8 to 14 need 8 to 9. Teens ages 15 to 17 need 7.5 to 8 hours. Adults ages 18 and up need 7 to 9 hours. Treat illnesses as soon as you feel sick because they slow your growth. When you're very sick, your body focuses its energy on making you better. This means your growth can be stunted. Don't worry because treating your illness will help you start growing again. Visit your doctor to get a proper diagnosis and treatment. If your growth is slowed because you were sick for a while, you can still catch up and reach your full height if you boost your nutrition and take care of yourself. Visit your doctor if you're concerned that you're shorter than average. Being short might be part of who you are, and that's a good thing. At the same time, you might be worried if everyone in your family is taller than you are. Talk to your doctor to find out if you might have a medical condition that's causing your shorter height, which could require treatment. For instance, conditions like hypothyroidism, lower levels of growth hormones, Turner syndrome, and serious medical conditions may stunt your growth. Tip: if you have a medical condition that's stunting your growth, your doctor can supplement you with a human growth hormone. This will help you overcome stunting but won't make you grow taller than your genetics allow. Lie down and stretch out with both arms over your head. Lie down on your back on an exercise mat or the floor. Reach your arms over your head and extend them as far as you can. At the same time, stretch your legs out as far as they'll go. Hold your stretch for 10 seconds, then relax. This will help elongate your spine so it's not compressed. While it won't make your skeleton grow, it can increase your height by about 1 to 3 inches. 2.5 to 7.6 centimeters, by decompressing your spine. Repeat the exercise daily to maintain your results. Do upper body twists while lying down on your back. Lie down on the floor or an exercise mat. Stretch out your body, then lift your arms perpendicular to your chest. Press your palms together, then slowly lower your arms about 45 degrees to the left to twist your upper body. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then rotate to the other side. Continue to rotate back and forth for 5 times on each side. Do this stretch daily to keep your spine elongated. Lie down, reach above your head and lift your hips off the floor. Lie down on your exercise mat or the floor, then extend your arms up over your head with your palms pressed together. Next, bend your knees and push the soles of your feet together, then press your feet and upper back into the floor to lift your hips off the floor and extend your spine. Hold for 10 seconds, then release down to the floor. Repeat this exercise daily to maintain your full height. This stretch will help elongate your spine by decompressing it. Lie on your stomach and extend your arms and legs. Turn over onto your stomach, then extend your arms and legs as far as you can. Slowly lift your arms and legs to arch your back. Hold for 10 seconds, then exhale to bring your arms and legs back to the floor. Repeat this stretch daily to see consistent results. Like the other stretches, this elongates your spine so you can reach your full height.